Welcome to day 11 of your 21-day meditation journey. Today's meditation explores the essence of Sthira-Sukham asanam, the Sanskrit teaching that reminds us from steadiness and ease in the body, the mind too becomes steady and at ease. This balance of strength and softness is what allows us to be both grounded and free. So we'll begin by finding a comfortable seat of your choice. Let your spine lengthen, crown of your head reaching gently towards the sky. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and a long exhale through the mouth. Feel your body begin to settle, allowing your shoulders to soften, your breath to deepen. There's nowhere to be right now, nothing to do. Simply arrive fully in this present moment. With each inhale, imagine your breath traveling downward, all the way into your belly, your hips, and your legs. With each exhale, imagine roots extending from the base of your spine deep into the earth. These roots anchor you, steady, unwavering, and safe. You are supported by the earth. As you breathe in again, visualize a soft golden light rising through these roots, filling your body with warmth and a quiet strength. With each inhale, the light rises from your feet, through your belly, into your heart. With each exhale, that light expands, radiating calm and ease through your entire body. Feel the balance between the two, the grounded strength of your roots and the ease of your breath. Sthira is your steadiness. Sukham is the ease. The dance of Sthira and Sukham creates harmony within. Silently repeat to yourself, I am rooted in strength. I am guided by ease. I trust the ground beneath me and flow within me. Stay here for a few more breaths. Feel your body supported, your mind quiet, your energy balanced. Steady yet soft, anchored yet open. With each breath you embody Sthira-Sukham asanam, the art of effort and surrender. Take one final inhale, drawing in stability and peace. Exhaling fully, releasing into presence. When you're ready, bring your palms together at your heart, bowing gently to the steadiness and ease within you. If you enjoyed today's meditation, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for day 12.